So what is angle of repose? So is that the minimum angle at which the sliding start? So the question marks here, which is here, has to be removed because that is all what known as angle of repose. The minimum angle at which the sliding start on the inclination is known as angle of repose. For example, we have a triangle like this. Here we can see, and yes. Now we have a block which is kept on the here like this. Now there we have its mg. Now we will make the component of it. These are mg sine theta, and also here we have mg cos theta. Why? Because this is theta, and here we have a theta. Because perpendiculars, angle between perpendiculars to the angle to the line which are inclined to each other have a same angle. Okay. Now, what will be the value of friction? See, the coefficient of friction here is mu between the block. I want to tell you, between the block and this inclined plane, the angle of coefficient of friction is mu. So now the question arises is, what will be the friction? So as we know, friction is equals to normal into coefficient, and here normal is mg cos theta. Therefore friction maximum or minimum, what you can say, fs max is equals to mu mg cos theta, and here we have the friction. I think I should make it by yellow. Now the question arises is that how to find this angle theta. So if the block starts sliding, that it okay, first I would like to write the friction here, mu mg cos theta. If the block starts sliding, then it must be mu mg cos theta equals to mg sin theta, and that is the law. Okay, so here I can say ki mu mg cos theta is equals to mg sin theta. So from here I cut the mg to mg, and here mu is equals to tan theta, and now theta is equals to tan inverse mu, and this is the angle which we have to find, and that is what known as angle of repose. So here we have found it. Now if anybody asks us what is the acceleration or minimum acceleration while sliding, so for that what we have to do is that if it is gonna slide by upward or downward, let's think that it is sliding downward, then mg sin theta minus of mg mu cos theta is equals to what? It is equals to ma. Now what I can say is m se m cut jayega, and here we have a is equals to g sin theta minus g mu cos theta, and here a is equals to g will be common, and sin theta minus mu cos theta, and that is the answer, which is the acceleration. But now if I ask for when it will move upward, then for moving upward it needs to be mg mu cos theta minus mg's, many of will think that this is right, ma. So m to m cancel, and g mu cos theta minus this is equal to this, but you are wrong. As you know, friction never led to move any object, it only opposes the relative force or relative motion. So there will be no movement in upward direction due to friction. But if an external force is applied, then there will be movement, there can be movement, not will, there can be movement to upward direction. Okay, so I think you have understand what is angle of repose.